Alright, so for this video, I just wanted to talk about what I've been doing next. So I've been focusing on making these individual pipe pieces. These pieces are split into three, maybe two sections. So we have this section here, and I've made a cylinder for that. This section here, this section here. It looks like I just copied that over, but if I move these, there's another one hidden right there. So all I've done is and the whole reason I'm doing it flat, I just figured it might be easier to model that way rather than using like a bunch of radial arrays and all that stuff. Just model it flat. Don't know, it might be more work than what it's worth, but then I'm just gonna basically bend this. I'm gonna slice it up and bend it into, a cylinder again. So this has just flat UVs, and I just, click this, click that, go into my bake settings. I go down to my bake. I do bake type diffuse, only color, select to active, and then I hit bake. And as it's rendering, it's probably a bit slow because I'm recording. Usually this is really fast. And there it is. So, and it's not very good because of the, the stuff behind it, I guess. But it's good enough to get a lot of the basic shapes down. So that's all I did. So I just projected them onto a plane like this and just started making cuts and modeling kind of just on the top of it, pulling in and out shapes. Let's just turn off color now so we can see what I've got. So these are my high polys. I don't know if the game version actually has any normal map. It might just be, they've pulled in and out geometry, and they probably just have diffuse roughness, albedo, roughness, metallic occlusion. I'm not sure if they'll have a normal map or not, just because it's, a lot of the detail, there's not a whole lot of reason to use a normal map. Maybe there is, I don't know. I could be completely wrong, so. But either case, we're going to use a normal map. Right now, I've got my high poly, and I'm just going to make a low poly version, basically just use the same geometry, and just take the bevel off. And then we will just slice it up and bend it into a cylinder again. And then I'll bake that onto there. So anyway, that's what I'm doing next. Yeah, thanks for watching this update.